Welcome to our tutorial on how to hide the drafts label in Gmail on your PC. If you want to declutter your Gmail interface and remove the drafts section from your sidebar, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. At the top of the screen, click on Settings. It is represented by a gear icon. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, click on See All Settings. This will open the Gmail settings page. Step 4. On the top menu of the settings page, click on Labels. This will display all the labels associated with your Gmail account. Step 5. Locate the drafts label and click on Hide next to it. This will remove the drafts section from the sidebar, helping you maintain a cleaner Gmail interface. By hiding the drafts label, you can declutter your Gmail experience and focus on the emails that are important to you. Thank you for watching our tutorial. For more helpful tips and tricks for optimizing your Gmail usage, make sure to subscribe to our channel.